This action is called piggyback.
That's right. Are you having fun up there?
Whee! So high!
This action is called interlacing. This action is called padding. This action is called hugging. This action is called carrying. This action is called whispering. This action is called tapping. This action is called stroking. This action is called clutching. This action is called high-fiving. This action is called cradling. This action is called nudging.
See? That's a nudge. I felt that.
This action is called twirling. Subscribe to Hashmi English for more amazing videos.